Let's make our own Christmassy time bows. This is part of my Christmassy time series. THEdraya!
I can't wait for Christmas.
For the first run, try using a plastic ribbon. They're a little easier to cut and twist. Plus, they're less expensive. So if you're gonna mess up, don't mess up on your beautiful, expensive material. I suggest using 3 inches to start with because the longer you make the loop, the more loops you need, which makes it very thick and hard to cut. Once you figure out how long you want to make this first one, you're just going to start looping it around. I would suggest 25 to 30 loops. The more loops you have, the better it actually looks, but the harder it is when you're beginning. So maybe try 25. Also, try to keep your loops tight. They'll look a lot better if they're about the same. Now that you have your loops all nice and tight, you can start the cutting. First trim the bottom. Then you want to cut most of each side off, but you need to leave a significant portion in the center so that when you pull it firm and twist, it doesn't rip, but not so big that it won't twist. So let's say you take it into a 1/5, cut off 2/5 on one side, 2/5 on the other, and leave 1/5 in the middle. Now that you have your 2 sides cut, you're going to open them up and push the cuts together. They don't have to be perfect, but you want the smallest middle parts on both sides to be together because we're going to twisty tie them nice and tight. Okay, here's the trickiest part of making your own bow. You're going to pull the innermost piece loop out with a finger, and you're going to pull it really tight, but not yank it so that it rips off, and then twist as hard as you can, just like around once, 1.5 times or 2 times. And every time you pull one out, you just put it behind the one you just did. And if you have enough pieces, it doesn't matter how good or bad you did twisting, it's going to look great because the volume is part of what makes it awesome. And that's why I said earlier, the more you have, the better it looks, but it's also more complicated. Okay, once you get one side done, looks beautiful. You're going to just flip it around and do the same thing to the other side. Remember, you want to hold it firm in one hand. Pull the loop out really, really hard, but without yanking and ripping it out, and twisting very firmly. And just keep putting them behind each other after you twist. Okay, you're down to the last few. Twist those babies. Now, you can look at your work and push it together. Adjust any pieces that look a little flat. And ultimately, you can take a piece of paper and you can put the twisty tie through it, tape it onto it, and then use that paper to tape it onto a package. Or you can just twist it around a bottle or a present. And look how beautiful that is. Then you can also trim the bottoms to be shorter or to have angle. I like them with an angle. Just like that. Okay, so you have made your first official handmade bow, just in time for the Christmas holiday. Now, isn't that lovely? The rest of this video is going to be a work through of 2 material-based ones. I'm not going to speed it up and I'm not going to talk through it. I'm just going to play some music and let you use it as practice if you so desire. If not, enjoy a playlist or another video, and hey, happy Christmassy time with THEdraya.
There's so much festive action outside of my window frame, full of Christmas time distraction. Beyond my sight is what's outside, and the chilly chill, it won't keep us inside. I sit in my window frame, watching the snow all day, and by the fire flame, I wait and you will say, go out, but for tonight, let's just stay in. Christmas is here. Tell your wish to me. Let's deck the halls, trim our Christmas tree. Yeah, 'cause Christmas is here. Pulling the covers up tight beneath the flannel seams, snuggling in for the night. Beyond the light is Christmas night and the chilly chill. Perhaps we'll stay inside within our cozy seams until the morning light. Yummy sweet candy dreams all through our Christmas night. Today go out, but for tonight, let's just stay in. Christmas is here. Tell your wish to me. Let's deck the halls, trim our Christmas tree. Yeah, 'cause Christmas is here. We'll be all alone, strolling through the snow, under the mistletoe. Yeah, 'cause Christmas is here. Walking around and what do I see? December is such a sweet mystery, with beautiful bulbs and glittery trees. People are kind and being friendly. Snowmen are lined all through the streets, wearing their scarves, hats and mittens, with charcoals for eyes and carrots for nose, putting the smiles on the boys and the girls. It's Christmas. It's Christmas time. It's Christmas here. Yeah. Sitting around and what can this be? plastic.